Welcome to another video from 254 Repair. In this one, we are going to go over the screen replacement of a Galaxy S6 Edge. We made this video the day that the phone came out, April 10, 2015. So we do not have a replacement screen with us. So what we're gonna do is actually remove the one on the phone and put it back together, which pretty much is the same procedure that you will be doing when you replace your broken screen. So the first thing that we're going to do is go ahead and heat up that back glass not to exceed 60 to 70 degrees Celsius. And for that, we're going to use a heat gun, or you can use a hair dryer if you don't have one. And we're going to start using our opening tool and playing cards to remove that back glass without breaking it. Now that glass was glued really good, really hard, so be careful when you're doing that removal. You don't want to break the back glass too and then have to purchase another part. So we almost done here, and we got the last playing cards in place, and we're gonna go ahead and lift that back glass away from the frame without breaking it. Okay, now we're ready to remove the screws from the back. There's no discrimination here. If there's a screw and you can see it, go ahead and take it out. Now we're going to go ahead and remove the induction charger, induction charging pad, or whatever else you want to call it, or whatever it's supposed to be called, I should say. Now this is the easy part of the screen removal. We're going to go ahead and remove that screen from the frame. But once you accomplish that, you will find out that that screen is actually glued to another frame. Now, when these screens become available in the market, I'm assuming that you probably be able to buy them with the inner frame or without the inner frame. I will definitely suggest you to get the one that is already glued to the plastic frame because it will make your repair a lot easier. If you go ahead and buy just the LCD, which is usually available in the market, that repair will be a pain in the you know where, because you need to remove the broken screen from the frame, which we're going to go over that process in a minute, and then you need to glue the new screen to the old frame. If you are able to get it with the inner frame, that will make your repair 10 times more easy, and probably it should not be that expensive since it's just a plastic frame that will go around the LCD. And at this moment, with the current models, the S4s and S3s, that is usually a price difference of about $20. So now we're ready to remove the battery from the LCD. Now, in this part of the process, we made a mistake, but we didn't take it out of the video because we want you to see it. We actually cut the battery open. I left the audio so you can hear the frustration from the technician while he is making them when he realized that he made that mistake. You'll see it right after we remove the logic board. The logic board removal is pretty easy. You remove all the flex cables that are attached to it until you are able to lift it up. Once you are able to lift it up, uh, there will be a connector on the back of it, which is the charging port connector. And once that is removed, your logic board is completely free. Okay, we're ready for the next step, which is removing the battery. And like I said, pay attention. We're gonna make a mistake that you are probably going to do if it's the first time that you do this repair. If you don't, kudos for you.
Oh shit. I think I just cut into the battery. I can smell it. Liquidy? Look at that. See? Smell it. It's all over the tool.
Yeah, that's lithium.
So as you can hear on the video, the original audio, basically we cut into the battery and the lithium is coming out. This did not damage the battery to the point that we were not able to finish the repair. We actually were able to remove the battery, put it back in, and the battery still work. Uh, to be honest, I don't think it will even affect the performance of the battery because we basically were able to seal the leak. But obviously, to be on the safe side, if you do that, go ahead and replace the battery because you don't want a lithium battery leaking inside your cell phone. So we're done with the easy part, which is removing the battery. The hard part is coming up. That is removing that LCD and glass from the plastic frame. Once that is complete, we're going to go ahead and test the LCD to make sure that we were able to remove it without damaging it and then put it back on the phone. Now we're going to fast forward this part of the process because it took us a good 20 to 30 minutes to remove that LCD, applying heat and using playing cards to separate the adhesive from the frame. And like I said, this is a very delicate process, so be very careful when you are doing it. As I said earlier, if you are able to purchase the replacement screen with this plastic frame attached to it, it will make your repair a lot easier. You will save yourself a good 20-30 minutes and you will not be risking breaking the LCD or damaging it once you are reattaching it to the phone. Now, as I stated earlier on the video, uh, we took apart this phone the day that it was released. So we didn't have an extra LCD um, to install. So what we did is take it apart and we went ahead and tested the LCD. So we got video and the touch works. It's moving a little bit, and that is due to the fact that the back of the digitizer is actually laying on the logic board. At the end of the video, you'll see it fully assembled, and there will be no flickering, there will be nothing. And like I said, we didn't have a second screen. This was the day the phone was released, so it's the same one. So we're gonna go ahead and put it back together and get to the end of this process. Hopefully, so far this video has been useful for you. A little side note, please go ahead and subscribe to our channel, give us a like, it helps us a lot to get up there in the results of YouTube, and we appreciate every single comment that you can make on our videos. At the same time, you're welcome to visit our website. We do have more videos listed on our website. And if you want to give us a call, if you have any questions regarding this process, we are here in the United States and specifically in Texas. So you are welcome to give us a call or send us an email, and we'll be more than glad to help you out with whatever information you may need. If you're looking for the repair services, uh, we do take in mail-in repairs. Not very often, but we do when people are willing to send us the devices. But at the same time, give it a look at your local area. There might be a shop in your area that will be willing to do the repair and might have the parts on hand. So it will save you some time on um, on the time that you gotta wait for the phone to be fixed and returned to you. As you can see, the screen turns on. There's no flickering. It's working. So we're gonna go ahead and put the screws back on the phone and put the back cover, the back glass on the phone. Thank you for watching. Please go ahead and give us a like or subscribe to our channel if it's possible. Hopefully this video was instructional, entertaining, and if you have a repair shop, I hope this helped you out understanding how to take apart and repair this phone. Again, thank you very much and have a great rest of your day.